Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Please let me know audio video okay or not. Please respond. Make it fast. Please respond. Audio video okay or not. Everyone, comment if audio video okay or not. Right. So welcome to Python programming language. Welcome to Python programming language for GATE DA people. For GATE DA people, welcome to Python programming language. First we will go to the Python. Next we will go to the data structure. Next we will go to the algorithms. Right? Python first, next data structure, next algorithms. Right? So this is the flow what we will go. So first we will start the chapter number 1, basic programs for Python programming. Basics. Right? We are going to cover the basic programs in the first class. Right? In the last class, introduction is happened. Now in this class, we are going to discuss basic programs. In my opinion, it is the first class of Python programming. It is the first class of Python programming, in my opinion. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Right? Let's go ahead. Make sure everyone. This is the first program. This is the first program. Right? This is the first program. So I'm going to explain all the things one by one. Right? Basic programs of Python programming. It is the first program. You can see once. You can see once. So in C programming, right? I think most probably many people are comfortable with the C language. Maybe in your BTech, maybe you studied. In your BTech, maybe you studied, right? So most of the people are fine with the C programming. If you know C programming, Python becomes so easy. Python becomes so easy. Let's see one small line. See here, printf, right? Hello world, right? See this one. In the C language, if you want to print, there is in the C language it's called printf, but here print, right? It is going to be print. Let me check. Right? In C language, this is called as printf, but here it is called print. Right? So print hello world. It will print hello world. Just I want to say what are the differences. Hello world will be printed. But in the C language, printf, but here print. So please careful. Second one, same print, right? Hello mom, right? You want to print your mommy, so just hello mom will be printed. So this will hello dad will be printed. Next one, it will print hello ExamPrepTool. It will print hello ExamPrepTool. Yeah, it will print hello all my friends go to hell. Hello all my friends go to hell. It will print. Yeah, this is just the purpose of this problem. Just I want to introduce basics. Right, in Python programming language, how to print. Just right, there is a print. There is no printf also. Simply print. So in the previous language, before Python programming language, whatever unnecessary things are there, they removed all unnecessary things. Right, before Python programming language, whatever unnecessary things are there, they removed almost all unnecessary things. Printf, printf, simply print enough. So simply print. Print, because of it is a string within the brackets, right? String will be printed. So this is the first program. I hope everyone is comfortable. I hope everyone is comfortable. It is a 3. It is a 4. It is a 5. Totally, there are 5 statements. I hope everyone is comfortable. If anyone feel, sir, I have some doubt, please let me know. It is the first program. Simply nothing there in the C language, printf. Here, print. In the C++ language, it is a cout. In Java language, it is a cout. Right? But here, print. Simply print. Simply print. I hope everyone is comfortable. Right? I'm going to cover approximately I'm going to cover 300 problems. I'm going to cover 300 programs. I'm going to cover approximately 300 programs. I'm going to cover. It is the first program. If you can get clearly all these things, you are perfectly fine with the Python program. It is the first one. Most probably everyone is comfortable. Let's go to second program. Let's go to second program. Just let's wait one time. 1 minute. 1 minute time give. Just give me 1 minute time. Yeah, go ahead. It's the second program. A number maybe I think right. Number may be small problem. Right. Number maybe it's okay. Yeah, it is the second program. Can you go ahead? It is the second. It is the second program. Can you go ahead? It's a number two. It's a number two. Yeah. Question number two. What is the output of this program? Yeah, everyone try. If anyone knows, you can go ahead. If anyone knows, you can go ahead. It is the second program. Previous one is the first program. So previous one is the first program. This is the first program. So it will print all, right? So hello world will print. Hello mom will be print. Hello dad will print. Hello ExamPrepTool will print. Right? Hello friends go to hell will be printed. That's okay. That's the first one. Right? It is the second program. Can you go ahead? If anyone don't know, if anyone is first time, I'm going to explain. If anyone is first time, I'm going to explain. If anyone is first time, I'm going to explain. Can you go ahead? Right. Now see this one. In C language, if you want to take any input, you have to write scanf. Right. In the place of scanf, there is a input. Right. In the C language, there is a scanf. Now there is a input. It is exactly like input. It's scanf only. So whenever this is running, see by seeing input. By seeing input, it will ask enter the number, enter the first number. Whenever this program is running, by seeing the input, this program stop running, it will ask enter the first number. It will ask the enter the first number, right? Let us assume you enter first number. Let us assume that you enter the first number, right? 80. Let us assume you enter the first number 80. But remember, unfortunate thing is this input function always return, right? String type. This input function always return, right? Whenever you say something like this, it is a function. So this input function, right? Enter the number they are asking, you enter the number 80, but this input function always return string. So it will return like a string. This input function returns string. String means double quotes. It will return double quotes. In string it will return, but I want the integer. So it is called typecasting. This is called typecasting. So remember, right before the typecasting, 80 is a string. After typecasting, 80 is an integer. So 80 became an integer. So a is an integer. In the similar way here also, right? Input. Enter the second number. Whenever it will see input, right? So the program which is running, it will stop. It will ask to enter the second number. You enter the second number. Let us assume you enter the second number 200. But remember, it is a string. So this input function finally returns string. But I want integer. Do typecasting. Do typecasting. Then 200 become an integer. So 200 become an integer. Okay, that is also fine. Perfectly fine. Now printf sum a plus b. 80 and 200. So 280 will be printed. Right? That is going to be next statement. Right? That is going to be next statement. Next one. Right? So print difference is equal to a minus b. Right? Difference a minus b. So 80 minus 200. Difference is going to be minus 120 will be printed. That is also fine. Next one. Product a star b. Product a star b. So 80 into 200, which is going to be 16,000. It is also okay. It is also okay. Next one, quotient, some operation. So I think it is a divide. 80 by 200. It is 0 point something. Because of integer, it will print 0. Because of integer, it will print 0. Now, anyone having any objection, let me know. Remember, from this problem, I want to explain to you. Right, how to take input. In Python language, how to take input. In C language, scanf. But here, how to take input using input function. And name itself saying, right? Python language is so easy. Name itself saying. Do you want to take input? So use input keyword. Do you want to typecast to integer? Just write int. You don't need to write a big line integer. You don't want to waste your time. You don't need to write the integer. Simply write it, typecasting. Some people are asking, sir, int I didn't return. A will become 80, which is a string. B will become 200, which is a string. Right? So try to understand. So they will become strings. A will become a string, B will become a string. You may be thinking 80 is a number, right? If you don't write the typecasting, input function finally return string. So A will become string, B will become string. When you try to multiply two strings, some problem will come. When you try to multiply two strings, some problem will come. When you try to divide two strings, some problem will come. When you try to do minus, right? Minus two strings, some problem will come. This is the next problem. If anyone having any doubt, let me know. These are the basic programs. If you are okay with the basics, with this programming language, you can play. With this programming language, you can play if you know the basic programs. So this program purpose, how will you take input? Using input function, I will take. Sir, because sir, input is a right giving input purpose. But what this function finally return? It will return string. Whatever you enter in the form of a string, it will return. But I want in the form of an integer. Do typecast. Right? So like that you have to do. I hope everyone perfectly fine with that, with this problem also. Go to next problem. Yeah, can you try this? Similar problem. Can you try this? Similar problem. Let's see. Some people are asking, sir, what is similar here? Let's check. Enter the number. I enter 500. But remember, it will return string only. So 500 became a string. Next one. So you want to convert into float, do typecasting. Then it will become 500.0 because it is a float. Similarly, second also. Enter the second number. Let us assume I enter 700. But remember, it is a string. 700 string. Next one, typecasting to float. It became 700.0. It became 700.0. Okay, fine. So next one. Sum is equal to a plus b. I think 500 plus 700, it became 1200.0. So I think this also completed. Next one, print sum. I think 1200. 1200 printed. Here not printed because there is no printf. Sum will contain 1200. 1200 will be printed. Now see the difference. Difference is a minus b. A is 500. B 700. So which is going to be minus, right? Which is going to be minus 200 because the float 0. Next one. What about this one? 500 into, right? 700. 5 sevens 35, followed by 4 zeros. 4 zeros. Next one, right? Difference. A divided B. Right? 500 divided by 700. It is a 0 point something. Let us assume maybe 0.6 or 7, whatever it is. Right? Remember, I want to say clearly to everyone, do you want to take input? Then use the function input. Do you want to print? Use function print. Then what the input function will return? Remember, it will return string. Then I want float. How? Do typecasting. I want int. How? Do typecasting. Right? Do like that. So I think everything is fine. So anyone having any objection, anyone having any small doubt, please let me know. If you have small doubt also, please let me know. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Someone is saying 1200. See, A is not updated. Pankaj, A not updated, right? So sum become 1200. Sum became 1200, but A not updated, right? So A is 500 only. B is 700 only. 500 minus 700. So minus 200. Right? Next one, product 2. 500 into 700. So 35 followed by 4 zeros. Quotient operation. A divided by B. 500 by 700. 0.6. Anyone having any objection, let me know. How to take input? Using input. How will you print, sir? Using print. That's it. Using print. That's it. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. So till now I done 2 programs. It's the chapter 1 basic programs. It's the chapter 1. For GATE DA people, it is the chapter 1 basics. GATE DA people, it is the chapter 1. GATE DA people, it is the chapter 1. Right? GATE DA people, it is the chapter 1 Python programming. Right? Python programming, basic programs of Python. Right? I think it is the first problem, it is the second problem. 2 problems I done. I hope everyone is comfortable. Just let me say one small thing. If you are prepared, if you want to prepare for GATE 2026 or 27, right? There is a batch starting, right? 14th onward, one batch is started. 2026 people or 27 people, happily you can join in this batch. 50% off you will get. 50% discount you will get. 2025 people, rank improvement course. 2025 people, rank improvement course. Happily you can join this. Approximately 3,500 questions we are going to discuss. 3,500 questions we are going to discuss. It will give lot of plus points to you. So please take care. 3,500 questions. This is the right, in my opinion, it is the recommended course. It is the recommended course to everyone. It is a must recommended course for every person. Every person it is recommended. 2025 people. If you want to get the nice rank, right? So utilize the rank improvement course. 2026 people, 2026 people, right? You can join in this batch, the batch which is starting, right? So in that batch you can join, you will get the 50% discount. If you are preparing for placements, so DSA placement course you can join. If you are preparing for GATE and placements combinedly, this course will be really useful to you, right? Use this code, you will get the 50% discount. Start early, test series. For 2025 people, test series happily you can go. 100 plus tests are there, right? 100 plus quality tests will be there, right? So you can happily join this. Next one, 50% discount going on, you can utilize. Go to ExamPrepTool.com. From there you can join. GATE means, I think the GATE you can go ahead. Placements means you can go to the placements, right? You can select whatever you feel. Yeah, this is for beginners. This is for beginners. Pankaj, this is for beginners. Pankaj, if you have any small doubt also, this is our WhatsApp number. You please ping us. We are going to help you. We are going to solve all your doubts. First, clarify all your doubts. Right? We are going to help you. It's a WhatsApp number. Just ping us. We are going to help you. Small doubt also there, please ask. Small doubt also there, please ask. This is the starting. This is the starting. Right? So chapter 1, see, basic programs are going, and see, I started with how to print. In the Python language, if you want to print, simply say print. In the Python language, if you want to take input, just write input. Just write input. Inside the input, whatever you want to see on the screen, you write. Input, enter the first number. Input, enter the first number, or enter the X, enter the Y, whatever you say. Right? On the screen, that will be visible. Enter X, then enter the X value. But remember, this input function always return string, but I want integer. Typecast to integer. So like that. I think, right? So 3 programs I done till now. So this program is, I think, how to take integer as input. This program is how to take float as input. How to take float as input is the purpose of this program. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. I think we done this. Yeah, similar kind of thing we done. Let's go to next. Yeah, can you see this one? This program. Can you try this? This program, everyone try. What is the output? If anyone not okay, please can you try this? It's very simple. If you don't know also, no problem. Just I want to cover in every problem, I want to cover something to you. I want to cover something, some important point. What exactly this? You can go ahead, see this. See the first step, everyone. A is equal to 10. Second one, print A, 10 will be printed. Now, I think some people are asking, sir, what is the difference between C language and Python, sir? Right? In the case of the C language, if you want to write A is equal to A, first you have to say A is which type? Int A. In the case of the C language, if you want to write A is equal to, first you have to say A is which type? Here, no need to say. In the Python language, you want to store inside A something, you can store. A is equal to 10, you want to store. Print A, so 10 will be printed. But in the C language, do you identify or not? If you want to print integer, percentage D, you have to write. If you want to print the float, percentage F, you have to write. If you want to print char, percentage C, you have to write. But in the case of the Python language, there's nothing. Simply print A. In the case of the Python language, you want to print something, print. Data type doesn't matter. In the case of the Python language, data type doesn't matter. See this one. Store anything. A is equal to 10. Print A. That is printed. Now some people are asking, sir, what is the A types are? Depending upon what you stored recently. So print A. Print type A. Remember, type A. Inside A, you store integer. So it will print int. Depending upon what you store recently in the A, accordingly type will come. Type of A, int. So print int will be printed. Now see the answer. A is equal to exam prep tool. Everyone listen. A is equal to exam prep tool. You store. Print A. Print A. Right? Exam prep tool will print. When we say print A, exam prep tool will print. Okay, that is fine. Then print type A. What is the answer? Type A. Remember, in the A you stored string. It will print string. It will print string. So the advantage with the Python language is you no need to say which type. You store whatever you want. You store whatever you want. If you type print type, it will print what is the recent thing you stored. Recently I stored string. It will give type as string. Before that you stored as a int, type as int. Right? But in C language, in any language, not only C language, C++ language, Java language, in all the languages, if you want to store something, first you have to declare. Suppose inside A, I want to store integer. I have to say int A. Next one, inside A, I want to store float. You have to say float A. Inside A, I want to store char. You have to store char. You have to write like this. Then afterwards, you have to use. And one more, if you want to print integer, in the case of C language, you have to write printf %d. But here, no percentage in nothing. Right? In the case of C language, if you want to print a float, %f. Right? But here, no percentage, nothing. It is a wastage of time. The greatness of the Python language is no types. Right? No types, no headache is there. You want to store something, store. You want to store something, store. Right? But if I ask what is the type, recently what you store, accordingly type will come. Recently what you stored, accordingly type will come. Recently you stored string, type of that person is going to be string. Recently you typed integer, then type of that person become an integer. And I hope you are getting what I am saying. Anyone say, sir, I have doubt. Reddy, sir, I have doubt. If you have doubt, ask me, I will help you. Pankaj, if you have doubt, let me know. I will help you. Anyone, whoever watching, small doubt also there, let me know. Whoever watching, small doubt also there, let me know. Little doubt also there, please comment. Little doubt also there, please comment. Everyone, little doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. Little doubt also there, let me know. I will help you. Can we move next? Everyone, please comment. Please comment. Can we go next? Everyone, can you start? Little doubt also there, let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Hello? Everyone, little doubt also. You no need to declare, there is no declarations. In Python language, no declarations. You want to store something, store. But depending upon what you store recently, accordingly types will come. Accordingly types will come. I think fourth problem is over. Can you go to next problem? Yeah, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Everyone, can you see this? What is the output of this program? See, I written output also. See, I written output also here. Now can you see one by one? Inside A, I stored 5. See the fifth problem. Inside A, I stored 5. Now see this one. Printf type of A, type of A is into, see this one. Type of A is, it is a class of integer type. Remember, every data type is a one class. Every data type is a one class. Remember, so type of A is integer class. It is a class of integer. It is a class of integer. Right? It is a class of integer. Okay. Okay, this is completed. Now let's go to B. B is equal to 5.0. Printf type of B. Printf type of B. Type of B. Inside B, you stored the float. So I think, right? Type of B is, it's a class type of float. It's a class type of float. Right? Next one. If you see the next one, if you see the last one, I think this also completed. If you see the last one, C is equal to 2 plus 4j. C is equal to 2 plus 4j. Printf type of C. So type of C is a class of type complex, complex numbers, complex numbers, right? So in the previous one, suppose if I do same, A is equal to EPT. A is equal to, if I type EPT, right? Printf, right? Print, print type of A, print type of A. So let me write now. Type of A. If I do like this one, it will say, right? The type of this A is class type. It is a class type, right? So class of type string. Class of type string. It will print like this. It will print like this. Right? I think when you see the last one will print complex numbers. Last one, it will print complex numbers. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Anyone having any objection, let me know. Sir, I have this objection. You will let me know, I will help. You can store anything based on what you typed, what you stored previously, accordingly types will come. What you stored previously, accordingly types will come. Right? Can you go to next problem? Can you try this? Similarly, can you try this? Similarly, can you try this? Everyone try. It is a nice problem. It is a nice problem. I'm going to explain. It is a nice problem. I'm going to explain. Everyone can try. Everyone can try. It's a nice problem. I'm going to explain. Yeah, let's start. Let's start now. Let's start now. Here two programs are there. Here two programs are there. I will explain one by one. Here two programs are there. Let me use another color. Here two programs. Can you see the first program? It is the first program. Assume it is the second program. Two programs are there in this. Clearly see. Whatever you know, same only, but I written so little bit nice way. Right? See the right. So sixth problem, which contain two parts. First part, second part. Can you see the first part? Can you see the first part? A contain H, B contain B. C is equal to A plus B. So remember, A is a string type. B is a string type. C is equal to A plus B. Remember everyone. C is equal to A plus B. Sir, ready sir, how can you add two strings, sir? Remember, adding two strings means, right? Adding two strings means it is a string concatenation. Adding two strings means it is a string concatenation. String concatenation. Try to understand. Right? C is equal to A plus B. Both the strings are concatenated. Now observe here. Print type of A. Type of A is string. See, first output. Next one, print type of B. That is also string type. Next one, printf type of C. I think C is the collection of two strings. That is also string type. Yeah, perfect. Until now, everything is fine. Now see the next one. Printf A comma B C. Printf A comma B, sorry, A plus B C. A plus B is going to be string concatenation. I think HB. Right? Next one, print C. Print C. C also same HB. So that is printed. So fourth also completed. Let's go to one more small story. Let's go to one more small story. See this one. A is equal to H. B is equal to B. C is equal to A plus B. Remember everyone, in Python language, if you keep like this, both are same. Both are same in Python language. This is also string type. This is also string type. You may think that it is a character type. You may think it is a character type, but remember in Python, there is no character type. String type only there. In C language, there is no, in the C language, there is no string type. Character only. But here, only string is there. There is no character. Almost like a reverse. In C language, if you want, right, you cannot declare right, string like that. There is no string type. Characters only, collection of characters are nothing but string. Right? But here there is no character. So here there is no character, only strings are there. Only strings are there. String and character same in the case of Python. In Python, there is no character, only string. If you want, you can see here. C is equal to A plus B. I think you concatenated two strings. Print A comma BC. If you observe clearly, print A comma BC. If you observe clearly, see the output. See the output. Right? So this will be printed. Followed by type of, right? After printing is over, type of A, string. Type of B, string. Type of, right? Type of C, that is also, type of C also, string. So this is completed. It may be fifth one, it may be sixth one, it may be seventh one, it may be eighth one. So like that. So I will give numbers here also. I will give numbers here also. I will give numbers here also. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, 7 here, 8 here. So I think first program, 8 people I printed. Now can you see the second program? Can you see the second program one more? Right? A is equal to 20.7. B is equal to 40.6. C is equal to A plus B. So remember it is a float. Adding two float number. Print A plus B, right, comma C. Print A plus B, comma C. What is A plus B? 20.7, 40.6. 6, 6, 12, 13. Right? I think this will be printed. So it is a ninth one. It is a ninth one. So it is a 10th, 11th, 12th. Right? 10th, 11th, 12th, completed. Next one. A is 20, B is 40, C is equal to A plus B. It is going to be 14th. It is a 15th. It is a 16th. It is a 17th. Check here. Check here. 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th. So like this. Right? So same thing. I have not done anything. I have not done anything as it is, right? So I think approximately 6 programs I explained. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Little doubt also there. Sir, I have problem. Little doubt also there. Right? It's our WhatsApp group. You can happily join this. You can ask all your doubts. It's our WhatsApp group. It's WhatsApp group, right? It's our WhatsApp group. If you have small doubt also there, you can ask. We are going to help you. So in today's class, we completed approximately 5 problems. Little bit doubt also there. Please practice. In tomorrow's class, we'll see 5 more programs. In tomorrow's class, we'll see 5 more programs. Right? Fine. Thank you so much. And one more, my suggestion to everyone is, if you want to start 2026, start early. You want to start 2026 purpose, start early. If you start early, you will get more advantages. 2026 people, 2027 people can start as early as possible. Right? There is an offer also going on, you can utilize. Offer also going on, you can utilize. Right? Thank you. See you in the next class.